else. I'm your daughter, and I'm also your lover. Yes, and you wouldn't let any man come close to me.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Nigeria Daughter. Now who is this? Now the Calavante. Today I bring this lady shorter lies. When I watch this video for Facebook, my people, you know this my channel day, but gist. No, first of all, if all my returning subscriber, I appreciate you guys. I'm loyal, I'm humble. Okay. This particular video, I watched am from Facebook. I was shortalized and I still shortalized and I still shocked to my bone marrow. A lady called this man. I will play the video. First of all, let me play the video.
Daddy, our family. He's just my friend.
Daddy, good evening, sir. My name is Famous.
I never brought a man to our house. He's your side too. Before you say I brought a man.
But she's my friend. Your daughter is my friend.
Your friend?
Yes.
Informer, has it come to the extent you're bringing a man friend to my side?
Daddy, no, mama was the male friend, eh?
I'm just her friend now. She didn't say anything bad. I'm just her friend.
Let's be a more daddy. Oh, no, mama was a friend as a man. That's the only name that was wine.
So you become so fearless to bring it. And why are you here?
Sorry, I came to discuss. I'm sorry.
You see that thing I've been telling you?
Why now?
Why are you touching him? Why are you beating him? Okay, you are being protective of me, but you want to marry. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him.
Jesus.
Why you go problem?
Why does he want to hit me now? I've not done anything to you now.
I told you. He will not even let any man come close to me.
But I didn't do anything. She just said I'm a friend now.
Hey, who are you?
I am her friend. My name is Famous. You don't even know me. You want to slap me?
It's for you to understand the whole story.
Okay, tell me why you are here.
Now look at it. He don't even know you. He's already aggressive to the extent of beating you.
Okay,
now
wait, hold on. Okay, Informer, wait. It's okay. So your daughter came to me and she told me something. That was the reason I came to Enugu, and that's the reason I'm here to see you.
Are you her counselor?
She told. Okay, I want to ask you, do you have anything with your daughter apart from her just being your daughter?
She's my daughter, nothing else.
So Informer, you repeat what he told me.
I'm your daughter, nothing else. I'm your daughter, and I'm also your lover. Yes, and you wouldn't let any man come close to me. But the one that is annoying me most is that you want to marry another woman after you have rendered me the way I am. Let me not just say you, because you just rendered me the way I am. No man in my life. I cannot marry. 33 years of my life. Daddy, you couldn't know
our family issue to answer.
Why won't I? Since you woke up woman and decide to marry another woman, leaving me behind.
So more is she saying the truth?
I'm saying the truth, brother. I'm saying everything to let the whole world hear me. I've had it up to my neck.
You see,
okay, now you want to explain. Just now you wanted to slap me. So now you are calm. You want to explain.
Gentleman, you are not getting it right here. You see, let me explain to you. The issue is, my wife died long ago.
Okay.
When she was just about 10 or 12.
Okay.
Each time I look at her, I see my wife, the beauty, the radiation. You see?
Okay, when you look at her, you see your wife in her.
Yeah, I see my wife in her.
So because of that, you're now sleeping with her like she's your
We
wife.
are going contra.
The question is, have you ever slept with your daughter or not?
You are not ashamed of what you taught me.
Have you ever slept with your daughter or not?
He even told me it's not right for a woman, a young girl, to sleep with another that is my father, that it is lawful.
For him to sleep with you.
It's even when I grew into a woman that I knew that this thing that my father is doing to me.
So how long? This has been happening since you were 14.
Yes, my father started sleeping with me at the age.
Let me ask you, have you ever gotten pregnant for your father?
Hey!
Have you ever gotten pregnant for your father?
I've done 3 abortions for my father here.
You have done 3 abortions for your father?
I don't want to hit on me, but God bear me witness. This man useless to my life. He uses my life and he wants to marry. He wants to marry.
It's okay. Don't hit your father like that. Calm down.
I feel like killing this man. Let me tell you the truth. He forget. He wouldn't want you to say, he may use how many suitors at a stretch. You thought that no man should marry me. That no man should marry. Now you want to leave me and marry another woman. It's not going to happen. No. It's not. If not me, no other person. If not me and you, no other woman. We die here. Daddy,
wait.
you don't know why you're See.
Can I talk to him in private?
In private. The thing is this: I brought you to tell him that he's not going to marry. I will not in my lifetime.
No, you can't.
Over my dead.
Hold on. You did not bring me for me to tell him that he cannot marry someone else.
But that's what we are doing.
No, let's resolve this matter. Okay, wait. You will explain. Hold on. You will explain. See, do you like your life like this? Because you sleeping with your father, he can never marry you now.
But I've grown to know him all my life.
So you can sleep with another man?
That disvirgined me. He started sleeping with me at the age of 14. I don't even have affection for another man.
Okay, you disvirgined your daughter when she was 14. So are you very much aware that that's child abuse?
Deny it now.
You are very much aware. Are you aware it can take you to jail?
And now you want to leave me and marry another woman. Now that one,
I don't like the fact that you are scared. Don't be scared. You did something, so be bold.
Traditionally, it is wrong to sleep with my daughter. It started long ago. Whatever led me to it, I cannot explain. Except that each time I look at my daughter, I see the image of my wife.
Keep seeing that image.
It's okay, don't touch it.
Keep seeing
It's okay.
Chelupa,
Calm down.
You should keep seeing
Yeah,
that
you
image.
can talk, but
Okay,
don't
you're no longer seeing the image now. You want to go and marry another
But
woman.
you want to marry another woman.
You're no
Why?
longer seeing my mother's image in me now.
I want to marry another one for reasons.
Okay, so what's your reason?
One of the reasons is I want to have children. I want to maintain my own family.
Okay, you want children that carry on your name.
Carry on my name.
You want to have
She
your
your only
mother, your
child.
daughter, 3 children.
She's my biological.
That ones that I aborted, I
She's
don't
your
know
only
children.
child.
She's my only surviving child.
So you want more children.
I want more
Okay,
children.
allow me to commit abortion 3 times. Those ones are not children.
Jesus.
Yes, so it stands for. If let the word speak, I don't care. I am already ready. My life is. I'm even frustrated. Like I feel like killing this man. Like let me tell you that.
Don't, wait,
let me tell you. Let me just stand it as a note of warning to you. In that woman, Ibo Batieba Makachi, Mebu Hogi, Boya, Manaham, Abrozaham, Igafi.
Okay, hold on. Sure, you can see the camera. So
But why is he filming us?
yes, let him film you. Because when she told me on a normal day, you're not even supposed to know that he's filming you. But I wanted you to see it. That's the plan. I want you to see it. Because this is something.
Leave this man.
If I grab that cameraman, I would damage that.
Why? Damage it there.
You tell me you are
Come on,
calling.
see the camera. Damage it now.
That you cook back and take here. I don't know what him. I don't know what him.
I don't want that. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, look at how my life. You know how many sisters?
Okay,
You know how many sisters I kept on my life. This man did not allow me to marry them. I want to go and marry. If you let me to give me this life, is it a life?
Hold on. It's okay. It's okay. Hold your bag.
Let's go because I might commit a sin here.
Wait. Sorry. Let me talk to you.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. Excuse me. So come now. Come this way. I don't want that. So
Let people watch me.
why? I don't know what else to ask you, but why?
I'm sorry for all I've done.
Are you sorry because you realized your sin and your fault, or you are sorry because your daughter exposed you?
She exposed me, number one, and I realized I've been wrong all
So ever
the while.
since she was 14, you did not realize. It's today, now that she's 33, that you are realizing that it's wrong to be sleeping with your own biological daughter. Are you not a Nigerian man? So when Igbo made this kind of thing now, is it part of our tradition?
It is not. Are you judging me or what?
I'm not. Look, Oga, you don't even have the right to raise your. I'm wondering why you are raising your voice. You need to be calm. Do you want me to call the police? Do you want me to call the police?
Don't involve police in this
You should be
matter.
calm. I advise you to be calm. So, are you going to stop sleeping with your daughter?
Yes, I made up my mind to stop sleeping with my daughter.
So, now that you have made up your mind to stop sleeping with your daughter, would you also allow her marry someone else?
Yes, if she so desires, she's free to marry any man of her choice now because I want to bring in my own wife.
Okay, so now, the question I want to ask you now, if I take 2 of you now to my pastor for deliverance, will you follow me? Are you a Christian? In a joker? Do you go to church?
I'm a joker. Yes, I'm a Christian.
You are a Christian and you are doing this kind of thing. So if
I'm deacon in church.
okay, you are a deacon in the church and there your church has a pastor. So can you talk to your pastor, or should I take you to my own pastor to pray for you? Because this thing you have done is a very huge abomination.
If you are sure me your pastor will not report to my own pastor, I'm ready to go with you to your own pastor. But don't bring this matter to my pastor or to the church where I worship.
It's okay. It's okay. Hold on, no, stay here. Let me talk to her. Yeah, Ifama, please come. Hold on. Come this way. Don't talk to him. So, I've spoken to your father. What he told me now is that he has decided to stop sleeping with you and discontinue any emotional attachment both of you have for each other. And
So,
I think you should move on
more.
with your life, yes.
But then what happens to all those men that have come from my
You can
hand?
get another man.
Where will I see them? Do you know how old I am now?
What
I'm
do you
33
mean? You are
years.
33.
I started having
You said
sex
now,
at
what
the
do you-
age of 18 years. My father made all of them too.
So you are 33 years. Do you know that? Even on Facebook, if I post your picture, you will still see your husband. What is 33? People get married at 40.
Let me just tell you the truth. The cocoa be say, my papa no go marry another woman. As I did so safe, I don't even get free for another man. Now so the thing be.
So it's a must now that you must be with your father.
I don't want to marry
But he
another
doesn't
person.
want again.
I will kill him and kill that.
So why did you bring me here?
I don't know, but I thought we were going to talk sense into his head.
So
To understand that he
the
cannot.
sense that should talk into your father's head is to tell him to continue sleeping with me. Your father knock you. Is that the sense? Is that sense to you?
But you have been doing it now.
Is that sense to you?
You have been knocking
Is
me now.
it not time you realize yourself? I should come here and talk sense
Oh, God,
to your
this all
father by
this
telling
also,
you.
oh, God, all this also you dey do.
Hold on,
Talk,
hold on.
preach. Don't preach you, I mean, they go church. All these things where you dey tell me, I been dey hear am when I was attached to him. And he know, he too, they go church.
So this is what you want.
Make
Hold
I
on.
even tell him, make I
Hold
tell him
on,
to his
hold
face.
on.
I know they disrespect you.
Wait, Ifoma, wait. So this one I'm talking now does not make sense to you.
I don't talk am, but the thing be say, you know go gree me now.
So the one we go agree now
You
to
know go gree
continue.
me now. You know, Melly, this one no useless my life now.
So you no go change, you no go stop.
I don't know, but all I know is that I no go withstand the
Fine.
I cannot withstand the fight of him and another woman. You know they get them. You know they get them. Okay, Rosma has skill as it is, so now you don't get girlfriend. If you see your girlfriend with another woman, you know they vex. That's so it be.
This one is your father now. You don't get sense.
I don't get.
I'm talking to you. Why did you bring me to Enugu? I came to Enugu because of. Why did you bring me to Enugu? Because you want to continue sleeping with your father. You brought me from Enugu, from Lagos to this place. Something wrong with you? Fine, go ahead, kill him. Kill him now.
I'm not killing him.
Kill him. It will be on camera. Kill him.
It's either he remains me and him. It's either it's me and you or no other one.
But he does not want. He has someone else.
He must want to.
No, he has someone
He
else he wants
must
to
want.
marry.
Daddy,
Don't touch him. Don't touch him.
Daddy, got choko. Even
touch
though they come useless, happen general ions. Or they are possible. Or they are possible.
It's
Okay, kwa gima ni kwa wanya hanawa. Okay, kwa gima ni just kwelo we pupu. Kido pa the remaining life he can we kido chaya we one do man if not. Even what that woman eba. Who get here go go mo ya ma mo no ma okay myself. I am no head. Go ebe we need to the. See to no one. It will happen. Mechecha abortion 3. Ndi nka ha buru omaka. E macha ni ihe mo na gide ma duro mma. Iwe bi no bele nwa. We mebie ndom. Useless time my life. Now you want to marry. Hey, go punish you.
Don't touch him. Okay,
Go punish you.
Go back to your work.
My people, things they happen for the world though. This one I say call a prank. I don't understand. If in a prank, maybe prank. If not be prank, na reality. Na something when they happen. Na something when it really happen. Omo, it blow my head. In fact, it shot. In fact, call catch me for inside my chest, inside my heart. How can a father, your father, okay, when you can't know something, say now your father, why can't you stop him? Why? Why can't you stop him? You say you don't get feeling again for another man. Now this your dad. You and this your dad, now do or die. Say no any other man will come close to you, and no any other woman will come close to your dad. Now your dad say he want marry. Your dad want woman, let me say he want leave you. This our brother. You know, if for asking this part, you say you want marry, but you see me as a man. Escort your daughter come here. You don't know whether I want marry her. You don't know whether you want marry woman come house now. Then you see your daughter with me. You don't even know whether I be fiancé. Look at the way the man was so aggressive. What are you doing here? He don't reach to bring back 33 years old girl. Never reach to marry. 33 years old man. This man. 33 years old girl. Your daughter never reach to carry man come meet you. Your first impression me say, if you want just start to the born, this your daughter, you will see the Vagara. You want just start to born pikin, born boy, born girl, because you don't they realize, don't they old. Now I make you want marry. Not be say you want marry woman, say you want free this your daughter. Anybody when you marry this your daughter, you see they alive, you see the Vagara. If you really there your mind, say you want marry, you want settle down with a woman. When this your daughter come with this guy, why, in fact, why that aggressive? Why you just vex? Why you they shout? Why this man? Why? You really need deliverance, as our brother talk. You really need deliverance. May God have mercy. And you, this my sister. You say you know the word. Where the word will start to the bunch on you. Now when you say you will not leave your father alone, say you don't already get feeling for your dad. Say no, you know the feel feeling for another man again. Go look for deliverance. Go into fasting. Call your God. Put your tunic down. Pray to God. This is abomination in our country, Nigeria. Now forbidden thing. Now you don't grow. You were supposed to run far away from your dad. You say your dad no marry another woman. Say if you marry, you buy your dad, you buy the lady. Are you for real? Is this one a prank? I've been a dream. I've been a waiting. And she don't even get she even fair wear glass to cover her face. I said, okay. Before I talk to just remove glass, I say, what is this? What it be this? Where this word they turn to? The other side, okay, Papa, where? What is this? You say since when your wife died, they see your wife, your daughter as your wife. In fact, I don't know what to talk. Whether your wife not get family, one of those things they happen. People will ask me, say, how the woman will say no. Yes, if he gets mother-in-law, maybe he gets grandmother. Grandmother will quick notice those things. Yes, then they quick they notice. Not be Africa. They grand. 2 days, 3 days when she go stay with the grandmother, he go catch him. He go no. He behave. If father behave. If father no let her stay long. If father no those things they see the reason and they know. You started to father your daughter at the age of 14 years. 14 years. Now she's 33. She said she want marry, you said no. Ah, now wow, things they happen. Ah, my people, the girl they cry. Said no. He said Papa cassava. I say if they give him puin. He said that puin, no any other man will give him that. Ah, see the man. I don't understand though. This one be like a juju. Oh. This person use a juju for your daughter. Go and do it back, okay? Please. If you use a juju and you call yourself saying na Diko. Ah, Diko. I don't want to pronounce and finish. That name you don't to carry. My people, I tell you here. Oh, if you dey out there, you be adult, you be teenager. Your father don't have right to near you. It's your father. It's your father, your brother. No. Outsider, yes. Now I make God say, son go live in papa house, daughter go live in mama house. They go join together, become one. You dey see, then if they go receive a blessing, they no say papa the Duvaga daughter, brother the Duvaga sister. No, God not talking like that. If you dey out there, your father they do this thing, no say an abomination. Speak out, run far away from him. Run. If you can run away from him. Don't even let him get your contact. If he not get your contact, he not go, get access with all those things. You feel married, you feel there with your husband. Yes, when you know say that this kind of man, agree make they pay bride price for your head, then they do your life. Court marriage day, church marriage day, they do your life. Do you understand? See this our sister now. See our sister. See what she don't put herself. See what she dey pass through. You collect sense, so you don't know say na your father. Please, you don't know say na your father. You collect sense. How you dey imagine your dad on top of your chest? Now wow. See, some girls. Your papa started to do vaga at the age of 14 years. Now you don't know something. You will call person. I don't put it for social media. Maybe na prank or if no be prank. If this one carry weight too. This one carry, in fact, it carry weight. Daughter fall in love with Papa Gbola. Papa Gbola fall in love with daughter Mikus. Papa and daughter Mikus and Gbola. They do those things. Now remember, I say this word not be my own. Now just country. Now go back. Aye. Now what abomination. Guy. My people, drop your opinion. What do you think? Till I meet you in my next video. I'll go weak. Now if you see my face now, I weak. I only 2 video. You understand? 3, 4 video. This 2 one I do, I don't weak. I know what you see the see. I weak. Get out my brain. Till I meet you.
You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh.